Got that new pickup for you, the great Ferragamo. Check it out. So first off, you got your Ferragamo bag. Then you got your box. If you ever buy a Ferragamo, it should always say made in Italy on the bottom of the box. Then you got your dust bag, drawstring. Oh shit, oh shit, here we go. Then you got your new grape hard leather Ferragamo. Then I'll show you what that serial number looks like. Then here you go, you got your grape Ferragamo, the hard leather. Got your 3 holes. Then I'll show you the serial number. This is the black reverse side. This is the female strap. Basically the unisex strap. Everybody wears the strap. Then you got your price tag. It says grape is the color. And then Nero, that's the black side. Retail $4.95. This is the tag. But I really like this belt. This is a new colorway added to my collection. And you should pretty much look out for this real soon. I will have these in all sizes pretty soon, so be on the lookout. Beltschicago.
Fuck with me, you know I got it. Fuck with me, you know I got it.